Series 4 Galaxy watches are full of useful and exciting features. Just like their phones, Samsung has included every feature they can think of in this watch. Now, not every feature is used by everyone every day, but there are some features that do get used every day and become one of the most important features of that device. This, however, differs from person to person, and here are top 5 features that I use on a daily basis. The first one is the bedtime mode. I turn it on every night when going to bed wearing the watch and don't want to be disturbed by any notifications. I still get notifications though, but silently. It also dims the display and turns off the raise to wake feature, so any arm movement at night does not turn the screen on and cause any disturbance. One important tip that I want to give here is that when bedtime mode is turned on, it also turns on the do not disturb mode on the watch. And if it is synced with the phone, it will also put the phone on do not disturb mode, which is something I don't want. So to prevent this from happening, I have turned off the do not disturb sync between my watch and phone. You can do this by going into the watch settings and then in notification settings, and then from here toggling it off. Another feature that I have started using more and more is the always on display. I like to be able to see the time on my watch even without raising my wrist all the time. And if you have the right watch face, it can make the watch look very sleek on the wrist with always on display turned on. AMOLED display on Galaxy watches is built for this kind of thing, and I want to take full advantage of it. And yes, it does consume battery unlike anything else, but even without using it, I was charging my watch every morning anyway, so why not use it to its full potential? Spotify app has been my companion for the last few months as well, and the app on the watch is wonderful. And if you have a premium subscription to Spotify, then it becomes a no-brainer to use it. You can also like or unlike a track. And to change the volume, swipe across the touch bezel on your Galaxy Watch 4 or the rotating bezel on your Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. By swiping up, you can also set the album or a song on a loop and control the random playback. However, the best feature of this app is that now it lets you download music on the watch itself, which you can then listen to via Bluetooth headphones. Moving on, the next feature I use the most is sleep tracking. Samsung Health has one of the most robust and detailed sleep tracking built into it. You can see a lot of details about your sleep, which include things like your sleep score, which you can compare with the average of your age group and see where you stand. And then there are things like sleep cycles, physical and mental recovery that provide me with deep insights into my sleep. And with the latest update, Samsung has also built a sleep coaching program in Samsung Health, which gives crucial tips and steps to follow in order to get better sleep at night. And now the last thing that I want to talk about is Bixby. Despite the fact that I have made fun of it in the past, it is a very useful companion on the watch. It is not my concern if it is as good as Google Assistant or not. It does what I want it to do to perfection. I mostly use it to check the weather, set reminders, start a timer, or set alarms, and it works every single time. It has significantly gotten better at voice recognition as well, and even with background noise like traffic on the road, it has no problem registering the command and then responding to it accurately. So that's about it from this video, guys. These were the top 5 features that I use most on my Galaxy Watch 4. And now I want to hear from you about your most used features on your Galaxy Watch 4. Let me know in the comments below. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.